So guys, what I really like about this is that you can practice daily here on Duolingo, and you can also choose what language you wanna practice. Like at the starting, I started with Swedish, and I went to level 11. You can see I have finished section 1 fully, and I came here in section 2, and then I thought maybe I should learn something else. Then I started learning Chinese, I mean Mandarin, and then German, also some mathematics. And what I do regularly is basically to improve and better my fluency in English. I just come here and I practice this daily refresh. And here you can see is this section 5. Like I have completed other section 1, 2, 3, 4, and yeah, it's the 5. So if I show you one lesson, then it would be like,
Sorry to ask, but when will he recover?
yeah, what is good about this is basically when you will repeat.
Sorry.
When you will repeat with it, like you will know how to pronounce this accurately. Like I know a lot of Bangladeshi and Indian people who just use their own accent, but I think you should basically talk with an standard English accent at least. So yeah, you can practice here. So what I'm doing, sorry to ask, but when will he recover? So yeah, I'm just repeating with this cartoon. Yeah.
Anna goes surfing every weekend.
Anna goes surfing every weekend. So yeah, you can choose your tone to say that. That would be better for practicing your expression too.
What a great rescue.
So yeah, what a great rescue. What I really like this character here.
Sorry, but you can't blame them.
Sorry, but you can't blame them.
That's not good enough. What if we run out?
Good. Yeah, I saw a lot of people pronounce good to good. It is not good. It's like good. Yeah, you can improve all of these here. That's not good enough. What if we run out? Even I have also some shortcomings, and I'm improving those. And over the, like, you can see I have almost like 120 days of streak, so I have improved a lot over the past 4 months.
Please tell him what you heard yesterday.
Please tell him what you heard yesterday.
Heard.
Heard. Yeah, even if you have a problem with a certain word, you can listen to that
Heard.
word
Yesterday.
over and over.
I wake up late on weekends.
I wake up late on weekends. Yeah, you can just do this also.
Goes.
Something like
Go.
Yeah,
Should we try to rescue them?
rescue. Next, always
Goes. Go.
Likes to go.
Can you tell me why you were late?
Tell me why you were late. Okay. Yeah, that's all. It literally takes like 1 minute. Yeah. And what is really engaging here is that you can have this streak. You can see I have 122 days of streak. Just come every day and practice at least 1 or 2 minutes, and your streak will be solid here. So yeah, that's it. You can see my streak is here now. Also, if I show you something, what languages, other courses here. Yeah, these are all here: Spanish, French. You can even learn chess here, like the basic and yeah, all of these Portuguese. Let's try this. Maybe let's see what is here. How much just I think I am not a beginner. User refresher. Yeah, I'm also ready for tactics. My elo rating, yeah, my elo rating is over 500 at least. Yeah, that is the beginning. Elo rating, not 800, but yeah, this thing. Now let's find the best place to start. Do a lesson, play a chess match, learn new chess tactics and openings, play a chess match. Okay, first do a lesson. Rook moves in. Okay, I know this, bro. And then yeah, I know this.
Now
Oh,
capture the stars in 3 moves.
this is too easy. End session. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a match. Just okay. Let's see.
Another match? My mustache is ready.
Okay. I haven't played for a year, I guess, and I'm not so good. Let's play this. I even forgot the opening names. Okay. If I take it, he will take it. If I no. If I take it, can't take it. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's do something. Oh, okay. It was not queen. My mistake. This was queen.
He tried his best.
What the hell? Okay. Yeah, nothing happened. Okay. If I take it, we'll take it. I'll take that. Okay, easy.
So be it.
I don't know. Okay, if I okay, yeah. That the hell? This is his queen.
Why do bad things happen to good people?
He just did this. Why? Bro,
I
this
meant for that to happen.
too bad, man. This one is too bad.
Not my rook!
This robot doesn't know how to play. Okay,
Not my pawn.
that is too easy, bro. That's too easy. But here, okay. I did something wrong. Okay. But if how can I do this? I can take something from him, I guess. You will take it or this. So maybe I can do something with this or no. What can I do? Maybe something with this. Yeah, this is good now. Yeah. Let's do what? Uh, if I do this, yeah, let's save my knight. This was a bad move. I can take this with this,
It's a cruel world.
and now this.
You will be avenged, Rook.
Okay, he just threatened my queen. Yeah, that's good.
I won't even miss it.
If I take this, bro, that's too.
I won't be controlling that diagonal anymore.
Okay, this little thing is talking with me. What to do now? Just take this maybe.
But why? Goodbye, noble steed. I'm comfortable with it.
What the hell, bro?
Goodbye, pawn.
Okay, let's make fun of this robot.
Naughty, naughty.
The fuck? Why don't we take and
My favorite pawn.
yeah, game over.
Boom. There's nothing quite like your
So,
first
yeah,
checkmate.
this was really basic. If you just wanna learn the basic, you can start. What is available in language? No thanks. Start. I don't wanna start anything else. So yeah, this was it.